You pay your premiums every month. You get sick. You file a claim. Then the letter arrives, denied. This is not rare. This is happening to millions of Americans right now. 36% of insured Americans experienced a coverage denial last year. That is over 100 million people fighting their own insurance company, and most of them do not know they have the power to win. Insurance companies use algorithms that automatically flag claims for denial. They are counting on you not appealing. 18% of in-network claims get denied, but over half of those denials get overturned when patients fight back. Here is what they do not want you to know. You have the legal right to appeal any denial. And when you appeal with the right documentation, your chances of winning are over 50%. Most people give up without even trying. Step 1. Request your full denial letter in writing. Step 2. Review your policy to understand your coverage. Step 3. Gather all medical records and documentation that support your claim. You typically have 60 days to file an internal appeal. Include a letter explaining why the denial was wrong, attach supporting documents, and keep copies of everything you send. If your internal appeal fails, you can request an external review by an independent third party. This costs you nothing, and the decision is legally binding on your insurance company. Do not let them win by staying silent. Your health and your family's financial security depend on fighting back. Start your appeal today. Remember, 36% of Americans have faced claim denials. 18% of claims are denied, but 50% are overturned on appeal. You have 60 days to file an internal appeal. If that fails, external review costs you $0. Do not let them win by staying silent. Start your appeal today and fight for the coverage you paid for.